And Anthony.
What is it? What's in it?
Look,
Dominic,
Your own.
it's a fish.
Look,
That's
it's
your
a
fish. That's yours.
Your fish.
But don't
Dominic's
shake it.
Dominic, you can't eat it.
It's for you.
Oh
Your
my
fish.
goodness! Dominic has a fish.
Yay! That's
You
yours.
gonna feed the fish?
Oh,
Elena,
okay.
you can't see it in front of you.
I have it.
Wonderful gift.
I have it.
See him?
There he is.
Go look what that lays
That's
Do you
on.
want to name him
intelligent
Nemo?
Is that Nemo? See?
Yeah, you can see. There he is.
Where's the
Come down here. Come down here. Look.
I don't think that's necessarily true.
Look, there he is.
It's yours, Dominic.
Fry him up, throw him in, flush him down.
What's his name? What are you gonna name him, Dominic?
Does he have a name?
Who's that? Who's this?
Nemo.
Oh, like that.
Fish, yeah.
Good job.
Nemo the
Dominic's
fish.
Dominic's fish.
What? Oh, careful.